Good evening, everyone. And once again, thank you all for joining in for the Sunday Miracle Meditation. Every Sunday, we choose an interesting topic, a topic that will help you develop yourself, add to your personal growth, and help you grow in life as well as your business. Today's topic is about conducting a life audit. And I am conducting a 1 hour free session on the 15th of July. Note down 15th of July, it's Thursday, 9 o'clock in the evening. This is going to be in the evening. We will conduct a detailed session on life audit, and I will, of course, talk more about life audit today and introduce the topic of life audit to you and detail. There are some interesting exercises that we can do that will happen on 15th of July, 9 o'clock in the evening on Zoom. I will share the links with you on your best version community. So let's get started. And today's session is that about conducting a life audit. Before that, I have a very important and a special my book is Amazon's bestseller today, so that's like an amazing news for me. I think one of the things the author looks out is for their book to be a bestseller. I'm extremely happy to announce that today I'm the Amazon's #1 bestseller in the self-development category. So I thought I'd share the most happiest moment of my life.
Hello?
Please, can you be on mute? Please remain on mute. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for that. And all right, so we are going to do a life audit July 2021. Now, what is a life audit? We do financial audits. We conduct audit on a lot of materialistic things, but how many times do we step back and conduct a life audit? Now, look at it, my dear friends. It's July 2021. July 2021, which means half a year is over. Do you realize that half a year is over? I was thinking, okay, it's almost it's July, it's 11 July. And imagine half a year is over. So one of my favorite and most important activities that I do in my personal coaching with my one-on-one clients and also in a lot of workshops is the half-year life audit. So once again, a reminder, 15th of July, we'll be doing a half-year life audit, a special bonus for everyone who's a part of the best version community. So here's what we'll be conducting on 15th of July, 9 p.m. And I'll share links, the Zoom link on the group with all of you. We'll do a life audit reflection for July 2021. We'll do a life assessments of the last 6 months. I'll share with you how you can carefully design your life based on the 6 important success pillars of our life. And you will also, learn 3 very powerful techniques that will help you stay on track and help you be in the right direction when it comes to achieving your goals. So quick introduction about me. I'm Kalyani, founder of Visioneering Life and the co-founder of Prescient Strategist, a certified coach in emotional intelligence and life coaching and leadership coaching, certified coach in neuroscience as well, a master NLP practitioner. And it's been more than 15 years that I've been into the field of training, coaching, and counseling, impacted more than 50,000 people in 9 countries. I'm amongst the few firewalk trainers in the country where I conduct this amazing, thrilling workshop where I have everyone walk on like 8 feet of burning coals. It's the most amazing, thrilling experience of your life, and it helps you overcome all your limiting beliefs. These are some of the companies that I've been privileged to conduct workshops for. So why do a life audit for 2021? Why do a life audit? Okay. Look at this. Now, everyone look at this and take a pen and paper and just tick mark these things with me. Tick mark these things with me. Okay. Life audit gives you clarity. So if you lack clarity of your life, what you want to do, what your goals are, then you must do a life audit right away. It helps you track your performance. What gets measured gets done. My book, 31 Days to the Best Version of You, has a very important 29. 9 is dedicated to life audit. The day 29 chapter is dedicated to life audit in my book, 31 Days to the Best Version of You. It helps you improve yourself. Conducting life audits regularly. In fact, I like to conduct a daily evaluation, weekly evaluation, monthly evaluation. When I work with my clients one-on-one, evaluation, constantly assessing oneself is a very important part to keep you on track. Achievement of goals, it helps you take charge of your life. Obviously, you have less stress, more happiness, you get more out of your life, helps you become your best version, create an impact and purposeful living. That's what conducting a life audit does for you. Again, take a checklist, and these are some of the signs you need a life audit. If you have never done a life audit, my friend, here's the time you should be doing a life audit. Ensure and make sure that you attend the session with me on the 15th of July. You've never done a life audit before. You're constantly overwhelmed. You are unsettled, unfulfilled, you feel stuck, you are confused, your emotions are controlling your actions. uh, you want more out of life, you want more joy, more purpose, more meaning in your life. You are finding it difficult to set goals and track goals. Maybe you are someone who set goals, because here's the a big challenge that everyone has. People set goals, but and they start, they start 1 day, 2 day, probably they do it 15 days. After that, there's no discipline, there's no consistency. Put a yes on the chat box if you think that this is how this is what happens with you also, where you just begin but you are never able to really stay consistent, you just give up halfway. And if you want to grow personally, you want to be excellent, and you want even you want quick results in your life, then life audit is the way to do that. Okay, so the mid-year reflection, July 2021, it's 2020 written over there, 2021 is when you do a life audit. Okay, so be there on the 15th of July. This is straight out of my book chapter. There's a book, a chapter called Life Audit, and I'll be sharing with you some important techniques. See, my book is full of techniques. There are worksheets, there are charts, and it's a very handy way of doing things. So there's no preaching out over there. You take a pen and paper and you just evaluate your life. So be there on 15th of July. I'll be doing few exercises with you which will help you audit. Assess where you are right now, and then where you want to go, and give you a little bit clarity about goal setting also, because you can audit only if you have set goals. So you have time till Thursday. If you've not set your goals, set your goals, so that we are able to conduct a very effective half-year life audit for you. Let's begin with our miracle meditation. So miracle meditation today is focused on goals, focus on developing the habit of conducting life audits. Somehow people don't like to evaluate themselves, assess themselves, because these questions show you the mirror. They show you the mirror, yes or no. And then we are afraid to see the mirror. We are afraid to get in touch with the reality that we are not doing anything to achieve our goals. Life audit is a very effective way which maps out 8 focus areas of your life, like health, wealth, relationships, finances, personal growth, skills, and more. It's a holistic approach to life. And we are afraid, we are afraid to know that we are not committed to ourselves. And hence, that is one of the reasons why we avoid conducting life audits, assessments, and evaluations of our life. Okay, so today's meditation is dedicated to developing an attitude where we become more aware. We take charge of our life, set goals, and get into the habit of constantly evaluating and assessing ourselves. That helps us stay in the right direction. Okay, so I will just give you a little glimpse of an activity that I'll plan to do with you, but this we will do on 15th of July. I will take you through this. We'll work together. We'll assess where we are. And of course, there are a few more activities also that I'll be doing with you. Now, let's begin with our miracle meditation. And everybody, are you ready? So please sit straight, And for the next 3 minutes, we are going to listen to this beautiful, serene, blissful music. And what we'll be doing here is some conscious breathing. So for the next 3 minutes, I want you to focus on your breathing. So let's begin with my favorite breaths, which is we take a deep breath in and we do a longer exhale, so our exhale is longer. When you breathe in, visualize yourself becoming stronger, visualize taking in more positivity, more love, more confidence. And when you breathe out, just breathe out what you want to let go of. So maybe you want to let go of doubt, maybe you want to let go of fear. Okay. So that's what you let go. So visualize while doing that. Take 6 breaths. If you can take more breaths, you can do that. Now, you may feel a little tired while doing this, and that's perfectly fine. That's exactly the motive for you to feel a little tired so that you get into this very powerful alpha brainwave state. Okay. After that, what I'm going to do is I am going to play very cinematic Hollywood kind of music, which will get your heartbeat a little elevated. It will get you into a very energetic, motivational kind of a zone. It's this very heroic kind of music. And when I start that music, I want you to all think about your goals, think about the different areas of your life, and that you are achieving your goals, and that you're becoming more disciplined, you're taking charge of your life and doing the life audit. And of course, I'll see you on 15th of July. Ensure that you block your time for that day also. So see yourself coming in for the 15th of July session also. All right. Okay, everybody. So let's begin. Sit straight and let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath in. Fill yourself up with lots and lots of oxygen. People are paying for oxygen nowadays. You're getting it for free. So come on, breathe in, breathe in. That's the essence of life. You are blessed, fortunate. Take a deep breath in. That's right. And exhale. Exhale through your mouth. Exhale through your nose. A nice long exhale. And just let go, just let go. Pull your stomach in, nice long exhale, let go, out, out, out. Visualize any worry, doubt, negativity leaving your body. Very good. Let's do this 6 times. Let's do this 6 times. I will play the music. And once your 6 breaths are over, just come to normal breathing and just be aligned with yourself, be in the present moment, connect with your breath and connect with your heartbeat. Let's get started. Wonderful. Take a deep breath in. Enjoy the music. Visualize yourself sitting at a beautiful place that brings you a lot of peace and tranquility. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Out, out, out. Visualize all the negativity in your body. That's right. Take a deep breath in and out. Visualize any worry, doubt in your body. That's right. Continue taking deep breaths and longer exhales. I'm now going to read out some affirmations. Mentally repeat these affirmations and visualize absorbing the essence of these affirmations. Feel and connect with each and every word and visualize this becoming a part of your being. Whatever we choose to focus on is where our energy is directed. We attract more of that in our life. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And with a smile on your face, connect with these words. I am worthy of manifesting my biggest desires. I am a goal-oriented person. I set goals. I set goals in all important aspects of my life. I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. I always choose happiness. My mind is free of resistance and I'm open to possibilities. I work towards being the best version of myself. I'm constantly working to improve myself. I look for the good in every situation. Everything is always working out for me. I choose to focus on my goals. I can do anything I put my mind to. I have faith in myself and my abilities. I have what it takes to reach my goals. I take charge of my life. I develop the habit of conducting regular life audits. I conduct daily evaluation before I go to sleep to ensure that I am working towards my goals, to ensure that I am living my best life. I conduct weekly evaluations, monthly evaluations, and this just takes 10 to 15 minutes of my time. And I make this time for myself because I love myself and I know I have one life and I want to make a difference. My goals matter. I know I make a difference in this world with my goals. Conducting a life audit helps me stay focused, gives me a sense of direction. It motivates me and it pushes me out of my comfort zone and helps me map my progress. I promise I will stay committed to myself. And now I want you to visualize your goals. And I have given you 3 steps for that. Visualize your goals with clarity. See them clearly in your 5 senses. What you will see, what you will hear, how you will feel, touch, smell. Feel like it's real, feel like it's happening right now. Whether it's a health goal like losing weight, exercising regularly, whether it's a wealth goal like being more wise with your investments and saving more. It could be a self-development goal where you want to improve your communication or presentation skills. It can be anything. It could be overcoming a certain disempowering emotion like doubt, like anger, fear, whatever it is. Visualize you've already achieved it, you've achieved your success, feel it, number 2. And number 3, repeat the outcome several times in your mind, right? So for the next 5 minutes, you can easily do 3 repetitions of 1.5 minute each. So let's do like 6 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 repetitions. And the music is really upbeat and heroic. So just get into this whole mode of you already achieving your goal. And like you've done it, you've achieved it all. Let's get started. You may very slowly open your eyes with a big smile on your face. And if you've done the visualization the way I have told you, you will be feeling amazing right now. So I want you to be aware of how this makes you feel in your body, how it makes you feel, the energy and enthusiasm it brings to your life. And you can continue doing this meditation every day. It hardly takes 5 to 6 minutes. It's a wonderful way of relaxing. It's a wonderful way of reassuring yourself of your power, pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, keeping yourself in discipline, and taking action towards achieving your goals. Because see, it's emotions that lead to action. So when you feel good, you do better, you perform better. And visualizing is a very beautiful and a very powerful way for you to feel better, to do better. Okay. So thank you for all those who have been so consistent on all Sundays, joining in for the miracle meditation. I will see you on 15th of July, 9 p.m. in the evening. Come with a pen and paper and a book, because it's not going to be a session where I'm going to give you gyan. It'll be like a coaching session where we work together and we'll do a life audit. And yes, we will know where we are, half year life audit for July, so that we can achieve our goals and make the next 6 months of our life the most amazing, and 2021, the most amazing, empowering, path-breaking year in our life. So lots of love and lots of wishes to all of you. Thank you once again. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you, Arya.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for taking this session. And I will
Thank
be
you.
there. I'll be inviting more friends also.
Sure, sure. I'll be sharing the link tomorrow itself. Thank you, Nishreen. Thank you, Ravina. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ekta, for joining. Thank you, Deepak. Guys, please be there on the 15th of July, okay? I'll be
Right.
sharing with you 2 complimentary worksheets also. So you can generally use them to map your life. So thank you, everybody. Enjoy the
Thank
rest
you.
of the Sunday. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.